creating beautiful guitar melodies sometimes can be very, very difficult. But today I'm gonna try as much as possible to simplify the process of creating, some beautiful guitar melodies. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna be using Archtop. So I'm just gonna go over to Contact, just drag it and bring it in. And let's just see what we could come up with. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing, is setting up my tempo. And for this vibe, I want to work with a tempo of around 96 BPM. So I'm just gonna drag my tempo to 96 BPM, and I think I can start layering in, the nice guitar melodies. And for me, what I always do is to create the chord progression first. So let's go to our piano roll, and I'm just gonna play some nice chord. I'm gonna be working on the key of F sharp minor. I play the first. Let me get my headphones. Yeah, I'm just gonna put in the first chord, which is gonna be something like this. Yeah, let's see this. Yeah, I think I like the way this chord is sounding. Let me turn on my metronome so we get the count. 3, which is going to be our C sharp minor. See, I think I will go with our 2. So something like this. Just I just first play the chords, then like I said, just break down what the chord is playing, like strum it to create some nice realistic melodies. Yeah, so then I think I'm gonna break it down, so it's gonna sound better. So let's just go with this, play this, then something like this, then bring back this. Yeah, something like this. So let's just play the whole chord progression from the top. Don't worry, this is gonna sound nice, don't worry. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna strum these chords. And what I'm gonna do quickly is just drag this. Let's drag this also. So as I drag it, I just shorten it too, and drag this, something like this, to have. Yeah, so sounds nice, right? Then I think I'm gonna put like some melodies in between, so I could just add them. Like, let's cut this up, something like this. Let's bring this down. Yeah, so you can see the melodies, the melody coming in. And then the same thing I'm just gonna do with this, just strum it. Yeah, the same thing, just shift it. And just by creating strum, we've created some nice realistic sounding guitar. The same thing, just strum this. Yeah. Yeah, same thing, just strum it. Nice. This is amazing. This is already amazing already. So just by adding, just strumming your chords, you could just create some nice melody. So I'm gonna send this to the mixer and just add some, some effect on it. So the first thing I'm gonna add is like an EQ, just to take out, some of the frequencies that I don't like. Then I'm just gonna add some reverb. So I'm gonna use Fruity Reverb. Nice. So we've created our first melody. Just gonna put it down here. So I could layer this with some chords, or I'm just gonna go over to Splice to see if I can see some nice sample that I'm gonna add to this. So I'm just gonna go over to Splice. It should be promises. I think I like this, so I'm just gonna drag this into, you know, FL. And this is not on key, this is on the key of D minor, and like I said, we're on key of F sharp minor. So all I just need to do is pitch this. But first off, this is on tempo of 167, but I think I can just stretch it and just put it here. I think it's gonna fit. Then for my key, I'm just gonna pitch it up because this is our D minor right here, and this is F sharp. So I'm just gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just gonna pitch this, you know, 400 cents, and it should work. So let's bring down the gain. Nice. This is amazing. This is beautiful. So I think I was still gonna go over to splice, and maybe I'm going to see another sample. I'm just gonna drag this. I think I'm gonna like what this. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is the same thing, just stretch this, you know, to 4 bars, and this is on D minor too, so I'm just gonna put it to 400 cents. So together, this, you know, this, both of them sound like this. Nice, you know, we've already created, you know, from here now, everything is just gonna come in, you know, smoothly. But I think I can layer some chords. Nice, so we have the chords, and I'm just gonna show you what that's playing. Just quantize it. Should I bring it down? Let's just put this down. I think I'm gonna bring down the gain. And I like adding drip to, you know, to my chord progression, like some melodies, just to create, you know, some effects on it. So I'm just gonna bring up drip and add this lo-fi effect. But let me just take out this higher note. Then I can create a variation with it, so the next time it comes in, you know, I could just add in that higher note. So just to create like variations for my chord. So this second bar now, I'm just gonna add in, you know, add up this note here. So we have to get about. Nice melodies, nice. You know, so next thing I'm just gonna bring in the bass on this side. On this side, I'm just gonna add some nice bass, you know. Nice, you know, I really love the way everything is sounding. So I could start bringing my percussions. I think I want to add like a shaker groove to go. I think I'd add some other percussions. So let's go with this. So here that we can now have some nice effects, so like a transition. Nice. Go to my master, just put my soft clipper. So what I'm gonna do now is just to add like my rim shot. What we just want to do is just put our rim shots on this section, and we have like a nice thing. Yeah. So I know what I always do, just increase the velocity. I just think it's at the max. Let me try this kick and see if it, you know, if it blends in. So let's put our kick here. And for my kick, I just want something. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not feeling the kick. Let's see. And the kick that's going to really punch through. You know, that's how I always say sound selection is very important. Yeah, so I can add like a conga. Let's see if you can see some percussions here. Yeah. Nice. Yes. Have like a, you know, like a drum fill. I think I'm gonna use on that different crash. So let's go over to splice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, so basically my aim is just showing you guys how you can just easily create, you know, nice guitar melodies from just, you know, your basic chord progression. And I'm sure we've been able to achieve that. So just from, you know, basic chord progression, we've been able to come up with something like this. Or you can see what, you know, adding some swing does. Oh, this is a nice swing. Alright guys, so you know, I hope you got something from this. And in case you don't have you know, guitars, you can actually try out other guitars that might actually work. But I suggest, you know, you trying it out with like contact guitars, because those guitars really sound realistic, and you know, they have some nice articulations you could actually use. So I hope you got something from this. And if you're a beginner just coming across this video and you know, yeah, like all this is confusing, you could go watch my previous videos. You know, I do a proper breakdown. You know, I did a 3-part series where I did a proper breakdown on how, you know, you can start making beats on FL Studio. So if you like videos like this and you want to get access to amazing FLPs, you know, don't forget to, you know, join the Patreon so you get access to exclusive, you know, content, FLPs, you know, packs, a lot going on the Patreon. And you know, if you're here to join, the link is actually in the description. Thank you guys for watching. And if you have any suggestions for me, any comments, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm sure I'm gonna respond to every one of you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.